Today, I want to show you the easiest way to collect event listings data from livenation.asia with no scraping experience required. Minexa.ai makes scraping multiple event listings quick and simple. Find the page on livenation.asia where the list of events is already showing. That is your starting point. Next, open Minexa.ai by clicking the icon right there at the top of your browser to get started. The extension is open. Now click the violet button labeled Yes, I'm on the right page, and Minexa.ai will analyze the page to detect the event listings. The scan revealed it, content block identified, and Minexa.ai is ready to extract the event listings. Scrape the event listings only, or choose to open each event's detail page as well for more information. Keep going with Continue, or choose Advanced if you need to click, scroll, or submit a form before results show. Minexa.ai found your data and highlighted the correct content block automatically. Just hit Create Scraper and you never have to set it up again. All fields are listed, including event name, date, venue, and ticket info. Just select the ones that matter most to you for scraping. Developers, click the API request button to get ready to use Python code with proxy and JavaScript rendering already configured. Hit Complete Configuration to finalize and lock in your scraper, so it's ready to run anytime without extra setup. Pagination is locked in automatically, so no event listings get cut off after page 1, ensuring complete data extraction. One last step, connect Google Sheets or set a schedule. Then click Complete Setup and you're all set to start scraping. Just hit Run, and the job is underway, extracting all event listings from livenation.asia automatically. Every value here came from its exact position on the page, not guessed or inferred, but a direct, accurate read from the right element every time. Typical data points include event names, dates, venues, and ticket availability. Click Export to download your data, with one event per row and every detail in its own column for easy analysis. No code, no technical knowledge, and no extra costs. Minexa.ai works for anyone needing web data and scales for developers handling any volume.